Scalar only magnitude, time, mass, distance, temperature, electric potential, vector both magnitude and direction. Example: velocity, force, displacement, electric field intensity. Scalar field. Example: temperature, distribution in the building, sound in the theater. Vector fields are gravitational force on the body in the space, velocity of raindrops in the atmosphere. Unit vector A tau is equal to vector A divided by mod A vector is equal to A vector A divided by A. A vector A is equal to delta A vector A is equal to Cartesian or the rectangular coordinate system. Vector A is equal to ax a torque plus ay torque az torque. A or mod vector A is equal to root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Unit vector A vector is equal to A vector A mod A vector is equal to ax torque plus ay torque plus az torque divided by root ax square plus ay square plus az square. Graphical representation of a vector. Mod A vector is equal to A vector is equal to A vector is equal to mod A torque. Ax torque is equal to ay dot ay is equal to az torque dot az torque is equal to 1. Ax torque dot ay torque is equal to ay torque dot az torque is equal to az torque dot az torque is equal to 0. If A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, then A vector and B vector is orthogonal or perpendicular with each other. Vector addition and subtraction. Vector C torque is equal to vector A plus B vector. Parallelogram rule. Vectors A vector and A B vector represented in a 3D axis. A vector A is equal to ax torque plus ay torque plus az torque az torque. B vector or vector V is equal to bx torque plus ay torque plus az torque. A vector A plus B vector B is equal to x plus bx or ax torque plus ay b by ay torque az b z all a torque. A minus B torque is equal vectors is equal to ax minus bx all ax torque plus ay by raised to ay torque plus az minus bz az.